Hello, how you doing? Gonna make some vegetable fried rice today. Loads and loads of vegetables in there. It's actually very heavy on vegetables, more than normal, I suppose. Really beautiful. It's vegetarian, it's vegan, it's delicious, it's easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's have a look at what we've got here. Now look, the selection of vegetables is entirely up to you. You can see what I'm using here. So I've got some broccoli, about 3 cups, bell peppers, 2 cups, zucchini, 2 cups, carrots, 2 cups, peas, just over a cup, green onions, just over a cup. What our essentials are onion and garlic. Now I'm just using garlic. If you want, you could use garlic and ginger if you wanted, but I'm going just with garlic today. So 1 cup of onion and about a tablespoon, in fact just a bit more than a tablespoon of garlic. But like I say, think of mushrooms, think of celery, other vegetables obviously work. So you're going to need a wok, a large pan, something, substantial, because there's quite a lot going on in here. High heat, get the heat on maximum. I've got in there some oil. I'm using a corn oil, use a different oil if you want. I've got about 2 or 3 tablespoons. We're going to start off by dropping in the onion. At this stage I'm going to add my carrots as well. You want to be adding your hardest vegetables first, and you can see I've cut them really small. Then our garlic, chopped garlic, and like I say, if you wanted, you could put some fresh ginger in there as well. We're going to add salt. We're going to add black pepper. If you want this a little bit spicy, get some fresh chili in there or something like that. I'm keeping this really simple today. High heat, 3 minutes, pretty much stirring all the time. Next up for me, I'm going to be going in with my broccoli. I'm going to go for 2 more minutes. And then we're going to go with the bell peppers. Again, cut nice and small. Zucchini, kusa, courgette, whatever you call that, nice and small. And the peas. These are frozen green peas. I just put them in some water just for a minute or so. Now you can see we've got an abundance. There's a lot of veg. This is going to be veg heavy, this rice. Stay on the high heat, 3 to 4 more minutes, stirring pretty much once again all the time. Keep it going. Fabulous. A big pot of goodness right there. Okay, rice, let's have a look. So here, I've got 5 cups roughly of basmati rice. This is cold cooked basmati rice, and this was made yesterday and put in the refrigerator. Hot rice, warm rice doesn't fry so well. Cold rice certainly does. We're going to go for 5 more minutes, again stirring away. You can see, as I said, this is a heavy duty veg rice. Back in about 5 minutes. So I hope you can hear that. That is actually the rice frying. You do need to fry the rice. We're not making a rice salad here. Beautiful. Off goes the heat. Green onions, spring onions, scallions, whatever you call them. So many names. We're going to get them in. We're going to give that a mix. We're going to serve it. It's simple. It's delicious. And it's ready. Okay, there you go, job done. Use any vegetables you've got. This is a kind of good thing to kind of get in the fridge and use any sort of extra veg that you have. Really beautiful, nice and simple. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.